Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 8 best online meeting schedulers. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1, Zoho Meeting. Zoho Meeting is advanced software that allows you to organize your business and confidential meetings securely. It is an easy-to-use software that comprises industry-level features and security to provide the best user experience. This is an application from a trusted company that never compromises in providing its best. You can avail of its free version and organize meetings for 60 minutes with 100 participants. Moreover, its premium plans are available at a very affordable price compared to other meeting software. Highlights of Zoho Meeting. Easy-to-use interface. Maintains industry-level security. Interactive web meeting features and tools. 24/7 technical support. You can integrate with the Zoho ecosystem. Available in an affordable price range. Pricing. Zoho Meeting is available in different plans and purchased in a monthly and yearly payments. Pricing varies based on the number of participants. These are the prices of monthly payment. And these are the prices of yearly payments. Number 2, Doodle. Doodle allows you to mark important meetings as events in the Doodle calendar. Events help you to remind yourself beforehand. You will not be missing even a single reminder. You can scroll through dates rather than moving forward and backward among pages. It allows you to create a public poll to know who is participating in the meeting. Doodle allows you to share your calendar with your contacts so that they will know when your free time is to attend meetings. The premium version of Doodle allows you to set automatic reminders and share contact details with the one you want to share. Highlights of Doodle. Enterprise-level security. Professional interface. Easy to create, schedule meetings. Allows to collaborate with other meeting software. Pricing. Doodle is available in 3 plans, and payment can be done in monthly and yearly payments. These are the prices of monthly payment. And these are the prices of annual payment. Number 3, Calendly. Head over to Calendly and sign in with your Google account. It is connected to Google Calendar and Microsoft 365 so that your meetings never conflict. It even allows you to attach the file that you want to discuss in the meeting so that attendees will have an idea prior to the meeting. All the invitees will get the reminder before the meeting starts, and you can even maintain a convenient page mentioning the free time of your teammates. Highlights of Calendly. Simplified scheduling. Easy to share the availability. Provides utmost security to each meeting. Allows integration for best workflow. Pricing. These are the prices of monthly billing. And these are the prices of annual billing. Number 4, Everytale. Everytale is a secure digital platform for streaming and organizing events. Everytale hosts corporate events and features amazing educational videos. Accessible across the globe, Everytale allows content creators and event hosts to connect with thousands of people with a single click. This event hosting platform is a robust tool with a diverse set of features. The most important feature is its adaptable payment functions powered by Stripe. Highlights of Everytale. Easy to create events. Provides custom tools for more engagement. GDPR friendly. Handle events for 1 lakh plus participants. Number 5, Pick. Pick allows you to schedule a meeting on the go without wasting time. Create the URL for your meeting and share it with the one whom you want to meet. They will approach you via the URL when they are free. Pick allows you to schedule the meeting based on the availability of your invites. All your invitees will get the event added to their calendar and they will be notified through mail. Highlights of Pick. Easy to use. Automatically adds events to the calendar. Allows you to integrate with Gmail and Office 365. Pricing. Pick is available at a price range of $9 per month. Number 6. TimeBridge. TimeBridge scheduling tool works with single mail with the collaboration of Google Calendar, iCloud, and Outlook. You can black out the slots in which you are busy in some other meetings. You can set the TimeBridge in such a way it notifies you before the 5 minutes of the meeting. This prevents us from revisiting the calendar for the next meeting. Number 7. NeedtoMeet. NeedtoMeet is also one of the time scheduler software. You can create public polls to find free time using this scheduling tool. Based on the poll result, you can find the free time at which everyone is free to take up the meeting and you can get ready at that time. Making the poll public will let others know when the meeting is going to be and they can manage themselves better. It supports cross-platforms like Android and iOS devices. Highlights of NeedtoMeet. Custom URL. Calendar interface. Compatible with Android, iOS, and Windows. Completely ad-free. Pricing. These are the prices of NeedtoMeet. Number 8. Sprintful. Sprintful is a flexible scheduling app that comes fully integrated with all the mainstream third-party systems in use today, including Google Calendar, Zoom, Slack, and more. Use it to give your clients the option to skip receptionists and self-schedule their appointments. Since it's synced with your calendar, you get an automatically updated schedule to always stay on top of your upcoming meetings. Other quality features include online payment, automated reminders via email and text. Highlights of Sprintful. Easy to use. Allows to integrate with popular meeting software. Perfect for small teams. Pricing. Sprintful is available in 4 plans, such as Basic, Professional, Business, and Enterprise. These are the prices of Sprintful. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.